If you want the best wireless printer in 2021, then this video will help you out in choosing the best one. All the brilliant wireless printers that we have mentioned in this video come with either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which makes them incredibly flexible devices that are easy to install in any home or modern office. Because they don't need to be connected to a PC or a router with wires, you can place them pretty much anywhere as long as there is a power socket and a decent Wi-Fi connection. Not only does this make them easy to install in a building, but it also means you can easily connect wireless devices such as laptops, tablets, smartphones as well and take the prints. And which is your favorite wireless printer from this list? Please comment in the comment section. Please hit the like button to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Brother MFC L8690 CDW wireless printer. Brother has endured this hefty laser printer with all the features a small business might need. It can hold 300 sheets of paper and turn out mono or color pages at the rate of 31 per minute. There is a fax facility and electronic document feed for automated tasks. It also makes wireless printing from a mobile device or scanning documents to the cloud very easy using its inbuilt Wi-Fi and iOS Android companion app. This is a 4-in-1 color laser printer, comes with a printing speed of 31 papers per minute and supports paper sizes up to A4 and weighs around 27.9 kg. Buy this printer for its fast printing speed and easy cloud printing. The disappointments are, it is a bit expensive and heavy and bulky. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Epson Workforce WF7210 DTW wireless printer. It is an affordable A3 printer with a Wi-Fi and NFC. It is a color inkjet printer, comes with a printing speed of 18 papers per minute and comes with a paper capacity of 500, weighs around 15.5 kg. Duplex A3 printing is not something many affordable inkjet printers can manage. But this capable device does it well and it can hold a whole ream of paper in its dual paper trays. It also boasts Wi-Fi direct and NFC connectivity for making a quick wireless connection and printing via your smartphone. It's a pity the supplied Epson DuraBrite startup ink cartridges are rather limiting, but when you switch to the XL capacity replacements, it becomes more economical to run. It certainly has a high capacity for paper with room for a whole ream on board. Buy this printer for its duplex A3 printing and high paper capacity. The disappointments are there is a limited ink capacity and there is no front USB port given. HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 FDW wireless printer, a first-class laser printing and photocopying printer. It is a 4-in-1 mono laser printer, comes with a printing speed of 28 papers per minute and support paper sizes up to A4, comes with a paper capacity of 300 and weighs around 16.9 kg. If you have the space for it, this multifunction device will serve a small business well thanks to its consistently crisp print quality, useful 35-sheet automatic document feeder, and an automated photocopying skills. With both the Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity built in, it makes mobile printing via the excellent HP mobile app especially easy. This is a mono machine and it's not the fastest laser on the block, but it is quicker than any inkjet and offers an attractive blend of features and performance. Buy this printer for its Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity and rapid printing speed. The disappointments are it is expensive and it is bulky too. Brother MFC J5330DW wireless printer. It is a high capacity inkjet with Wi-Fi and A3 skills. It is a 4-in-1 color inkjet printer, comes with a printing speed of 22 papers per minute and supports paper sizes up to A3. comes with a paper capacity of 300 and weighs around 16.9 kg. With all functionality a small business could need, this feature-packed inkjet can do anything from seeding a fax to saving a scan to the cloud. Most surprisingly, given its A4 size footprint, is its ability to print on A3 paper. Wi-Fi is built in, and Brother's companion iOS Android app makes wireless printing a breeze. Prints clearly in monochrome, while color photos look quite vibrant on photo paper. The touchscreen is rather small and it's not as fast as a laser printer, but it strikes a good balance between performance and features. Buy this printer for its ability to print up to A3 and high paper capacity. The disappointments are it is a A4 size scanner and it is slower than a laser printer. Canon PIXMA TR8550 wireless printer. Well connected inkjet simplifies cloud printing. It is a 4-in-1 color inkjet printer that comes with a printing speed of 15 papers per minute and paper size up to A4. It has got a paper capacity of 100 and weighs around 8 kg. Canon's compact small-in-one hides a wealth of features from a fax to a 20-sheet automatic document feeder. It's exceptionally well connected too, with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in, so that you can quickly connect a mobile device and print or scan using the excellent companion app. Printing and scanning via the cloud has never been so simple, and the photos look satisfyingly vivid with Canon's 5-cartridge system. Buy this printer for its Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, compact design, and it is very lightweight too. The disappointments are there is slow duplex printing and it also comes with a costly cartridges. So these are some of the best wireless printers that you can consider to buy in 2021. So which is your favorite printer from this list of printers? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.